Hello everyone, in this video I'll be talking about Wikipedia and SEO. In today's digital landscape, everyone wants to improve their website's search engine ranking. SEO or search engine optimization is a key tool for achieving visibility online. But can Wikipedia, the world's largest and most trusted online encyclopedia, be leveraged for SEO? Let's take a deep dive into how to ethically use Wikipedia for SEO and explore the key do's and don'ts. But before diving into recommended strategies, it's crucial to understand practices to avoid. So let's start with Black Hat SEO on Wikipedia. What is Black Hat SEO on Wikipedia? Black Hat SEO refers to manipulative tactics used to trick search engine algorithms into boosting a site's ranking quickly. These techniques may seem tempting, but they carry significant risks. Let's break down why Black Hat SEO on Wikipedia is particularly dangerous. First, permanent blacklisting. If you use Wikipedia inappropriately for SEO, your site could be permanently blacklisted from the encyclopedia. Once your site's link is flagged, no further links will be made to it from Wikipedia. Second, no follow links. It's crucial to remember that Wikipedia links are no-follow, meaning they don't directly affect search engine rankings in terms of link juice. This limits their effectiveness in SEO. Third, quick fix, no real value. Some SEO consultants resort to low traffic language versions of Wikipedia, like Esperanto or Occitan, and insert links in articles there. While these links may remain for a while due to less monitoring, they don't add real value and will eventually be removed. Now, let's focus on white hat SEO techniques that work with Wikipedia. White hat SEO on Wikipedia is all about contributing high quality, verifiable content that adheres to Wikipedia's strict rules. Here is how to make the most out of Wikipedia for SEO the right way. To begin with, create a Wikipedia page, if eligible. If you meet Wikipedia's notability criteria, you can create a page for yourself, your company, or your organization. Make sure to include links to your website in the appropriate sections, such as the info box and the external links section. Moving on, contribute to existing pages. Contributing by adding relevant, neutral information to existing articles is a great way to get involved. If your company or website is a credible source, you may be able to cite it in the article's references section. However, make sure your contributions are impartial and well sourced. Finally, use Wikidata. Wikidata is another project linked to Wikipedia with slightly less stringent criteria for inclusion. You can create a Wikidata entry for your company or organization and include links there as long as the data is structured correctly. But wait, how to know if you qualify for a Wikipedia page? Wikipedia isn't a platform for advertising or self promotion. For an article to stay on Wikipedia, it must meet notability criteria. This means the subject of the page must have significant coverage from reliable sources. Before creating a page, ensure you meet these requirements. If you don't, your page is likely to be deleted and it will be much harder to reinstate it. There are key SEO benefits of being on Wikipedia. Number one, domain authority. Wikipedia has an incredibly high domain authority of 93 out of 100, meaning it's viewed as a highly credible source by search engines like Google. Having a Wikipedia page can enhance your visibility on search results, even if the links themselves don't pass link juice. Number two, fast indexing. Pages created on Wikipedia are quickly indexed by search engines thanks to Wikipedia's extensive internal linking system and frequent updates. This means that once a page is live, it's more likely to be picked up and ranked quickly by Google. Number three, exposure in the Google Knowledge Graph. When your organization or person has a Wikipedia page, Google is more likely to feature it in its knowledge graph. This is the panel that appears in the right side of the search results, giving users quick access to information about your brand or topic. And now, some bonus tips for you. How to optimize your Wikipedia page for SEO. The first idea is focus on quality. Wikipedia values well researched, well written, and impartial content. The better the quality of your content, the more likely it is to be kept. The second idea is add verifiable sources. Every fact or claim you make must be backed up with verifiable sources. Avoid using your own website as the sole reference unless it's a widely recognized authority. And the last point is neutral tone. Remember that Wikipedia is an encyclopedia, not a promotional platform. Avoid promotional language and keep the tone neutral. That being said, let's recap some important points for those looking to leverage Wikipedia for SEO. First, no follow links. While all links on Wikipedia are no follow, they still carry significant indirect SEO value due to the credibility of the platform. Next up, remember that notability is key. Before attempting to create a Wikipedia page, ensure that you meet the notability criteria. Pages about organizations or people who are not considered notable are often deleted. And finally, don't forget transparency. If you're editing an article related to your company or personal brand, you must disclose any potential conflicts of interest. This transparency is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the platform. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know about Wikipedia and SEO. Let's wrap this up. Using Wikipedia as part of your SEO strategy can be an effective long-term approach if done ethically. The key is to focus on creating valuable, verifiable content that aligns with Wikipedia's standards. Remember, there are no shortcuts in SEO. Ethical SEO is about building long-term credibility and providing value to your audience. Follow these best practices, and you'll not only improve your online visibility, but also contribute positively to the vast pool of knowledge that Wikipedia offers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more resources on our channel. Happy editing